this app. So if I see here, we have two route here. One is home, second is to do. The thing I wanted to show you, these are basically eager loaded modules. And if I go to home, if I go to do, you will see nothing is downloading right in the network tab. I've already selected all, so nothing is downloading now. So that means this is already loaded in the bundle when the first bundle is downloaded. But what if I have to add lazy loading? I want to download the files when I go to this particular route, because for example, if I'm not on to-do list, why my to-do list component is getting downloaded? It is increasing the bundle size, right? This is the beauty of Angular. You can use lazy loading. So now for lazy loading, we don't need to do much here. Let me create one more component here. Alright, so now the product has been created. Let me create one more route, products. Alright, so now it should be product. Alright, so meanwhile the build is happening, we can create one more route here. This is going to be products and it is going to load product component. Cool. So this is still same. I mean, it is going to download in the first bundle only. Alright, so now all three are basically ready. So if I click on home, do and products, all same, right? If I clear it, refresh it. So if I go to do, home, product, nothing downloads, right? It is nothing, it's just JS file. Alright, so now make it lazy loaded. So if you remember in the previous versions with the modules, we have to use load children here for achieving the lazy loading thing. But now we do not have modules, right? We used to pass modules over there. So for the component, lazy loaded component basically, now we have to use load component here, and rest of the things are just same. Narrow function, it will import the path. So path is going to be, let's see, app/product and the component. This is same we do with module, and it's going to return a promise here. The promise is going to have response, and response is going to have the component name. Cool. What is the problem here? Is it option or something? Oh, I think I missed the call. Alright, so that's all we need to do to make this lazy loaded. Try and test it out. So if I see this file gets down, this product components, go here, nothing gets. If I click on products, it has been loaded as a lazy loaded component. Alright guys, so if you're still with this video, then I think you're enjoying it, and if you subscribe to the channel and like this video, I'll really appreciate. So let's continue with the video. Yeah, so that's all. I mean, so now we have our routing, we have our products pages. Okay, so we can see, looks like code is working perfectly fine here. Alright, so that's all guys. I hope you have learned something, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button of this video. And if you have any question, please write it down in the comment section. I will definitely reply you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.